The architecture of life. Scientists strive to discover nature's governing principles, but sometimes they look to artists and designers for inspiration. As an undergraduate science major, Don Ingber took an art class where he first saw tensegrity sculptures pioneered by Kenneth Snelson and Buckminster Fuller.
2 sculptures made of 3 struts stand upright without touching or resting on each other. A series of tensed cables connect the ends of the struts, holding the structure taut. Next to the 3-strut model is a 60-strut tensional integrity called the Fuller tensegrity dome. The dome is spherical.
When his art professor pushed down on a round tensegrity containing sticks and elastic strings, it flattened and then leapt up into the air when he let it go. This captured his attention because living cells similarly round up when they are dislodged from a culture dish.
Spider-like webs of proteins encompass cells in a culture dish. The cells trypsinize. The flattened webs of adhesions dislodge from the culture dish and round up, cocooning the cell.
This design-inspired insight led Ingber to build his own tensegrity model of a cell with a nucleus at its center that mimicked shape changes displayed by a living human cell.
2 models of tensegrity cells are pictured. One appears perfectly rounded, the other flattened.
Scientists now know that living cells contain microscopic cytoskeletal struts and tensed cables that control their shape, just like in the tensegrities of Snelson and Fuller.
A fluorescent image of a magnified cell structure with thin and nebulous webbing.
Tensegrity governs how life is structured at all size scales. Protein molecules that are composed of atoms arrange themselves as nanoscale tensegrities with stiffened spring-like struts that are held together by tensile bonding forces.
Animated protein clusters gather.
At a larger scale in living organs, such as skin, cells act to pull together and tense strut-like bundles of collagen fibers, thereby stabilizing the tissues and making them resilient like a tensegrity.
The video offers a microscopic view of the skin and subdermal collagen fibers pulled together with cells. It zooms in to a bundle of collagen fibers held together with a cell-like gum caught in strings.
Our bodies similarly use tensegrity to stabilize themselves, with tensed muscles, tendons, and ligaments pulling our bones up against the force of gravity.
A medical illustration of the muscular system depicts a man in motion with his knee bent and arms back, as if he's running.
Inspired by design, we now have a better appreciation for how life forms and functions. The architecture of life. Wyss Institute.